Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we're going to be solving a equation, and you'll notice it has variables on both sides. I like to begin with the distributive property, and this happens when I see numbers in front of parentheses. So this one on the left, you may not think that that has a number in front of parentheses, but it actually does. It has a 1 there. So I'm going to change this subtraction to an addition, and I'll make that a -1 in front of the parentheses. That way I can distribute a -1 to each of the terms in the parentheses. Be sure and leave the 9x out in front. And -1 times 4x is -4x. And -1 times 6 gives me 6. Then we'll do the same thing on the right here. We'll leave the 17 and distribute the 2 to both of the terms in the parentheses. So 2 times 3x gives me 6x. 2 times 8 gives me 16. Now, before we do anything to both sides of the equation, let's collect like terms. So I'm going to add the 9x plus -4x. That'll give me 5x plus 6. And then I've got 17 plus 16, and that's going to give me 33. All right, now that I've collected like terms, I've got to get all the variables on one side. So I'm going to subtract the 6x from both sides. You'll notice that I lined that up underneath the 5x. So 5x minus 6x would give me -1x plus 6. My 6x's cancel out, and I'm left with 33 over there. So now we can do the opposite of adding 6, which is to subtract 6. That leaves me with -1x, my 6's cancel, equals 27. Now, last step here, I see that the x is being multiplied by a -1. So I have to do the opposite of multiplying by -1, which is to divide by -1. And that leaves me with x equals -27. So friends, I hope this helps you with your solving equations. Be sure, use that distributive property first. Bye, friends.